In this first part of Premiere Pro Basics, learn to do an edit from start to finish. We will start our tutorial by making a folder. In this folder, we will save all our files. Right-click on your desktop and choose New and then Folder. It's preferred to have a consistent way of naming your projects. The way I name my folders is by adding first the year, the month, the day, and then the name of the project. In this case, I'll name the project Premiere Pro Basics. Inside this file, we will create 3 subfolders. The first one will be called Project. The second, Captures. And the third, Export. These folders will contain everything that is related to this project. Now we are ready to open Premiere Pro. We want to create a new project, so select that. In the next window, we have to choose the name and the location of our project file. We will name the file Basics Part 1. Then we have to choose a location for this file. Hit Browse and then go Desktop, Premiere Pro Basics and then select Project. Then hit OK. Now we are inside Premiere Pro. If your interface looks different, go to Workspace, Editing. If you have Editing Workspace selected and something is missing or is different, select Reset to save the layout. Let's briefly explain what is a workspace. Workspace is a certain arrangement of windows to make our workflow more efficient depending on what we do. We'll remove the windows that we don't need now and we'll keep the rest. To close one window, go for example to Effects panel, right-click on the 3 horizontal lines and choose Close Panel. Do the same for the rest. Now we want to save this workspace to be able to use it again in our future projects. Go to Window, Workspaces, Save as New Workspace. Name it Basics. Now, if you want to follow along, go to the link in the description and download the folder Car Animation. Open the folder and copy all 4 clips. Go to the folder we created and paste it inside Captures. Now let's go back to Premiere. Editing is a 3-way process, pretty much like cooking. When we cook, first we gather the ingredients, then we mix those ingredients, and finally we share our creation with our family and our friends. The same thing applies here. We import, we edit, and we export our footage. Project window is our library. Here we import everything we want to use for this project. So double-click inside, go to our Captures folder and select the 4 clips. You can see your files either in list view, like here, or click icon view button and see them as thumbnails. We can also change the size of the thumbnails. Drag and drop the first clip, named Scene 1, inside the timeline. The moment we placed our video inside the timeline, many things happened. Both timeline and program window activated. 2 blue bars appeared. The first bar is placed in a slot called V1 and the second bar in a slot called A1. These slots are called tracks. V stands for video, A for audio. In this tutorial we will need only one track for each. Let's remove the tracks that we don't use. Go right click and choose delete track, except V1 and A1. Also pay attention that we want these 2 buttons, snap and linked selection, to be on. The top part is called time ruler. And this is called playhead. The position of the playhead is what you see in program window. We have a car running. We are going to add another scene to make it more interesting. Skip the video named Scene 02. We will use it in the next tutorial and go straight to Scene 03 and place it inside the timeline. In this video, we see our car driving up a ramp and then hitting a pile of boxes. There's a lot of time that nothing happens on the screen. I go and select the fourth tool, which is called Razor. Click once to make the cut. Now we have 3 videos on our timeline. We don't want the middle one, so we go to Selection tool and click on the video to select it. Once selected, press right click and clear. Now we have a gap between those 2 clips. Select the clip and snap it next to the first clip. Now the action is much better. Let's use our last clip named Scene 04, a long duration video relative to the others. We see the same scene from another angle. The action starts way too late, so we repeat the process. To navigate the timeline frame by frame, use the left and right arrow keys. When you are done with the editing, you have to save the project and export the file so as to share it with your friends. Go to File, Save. Saving often is a good habit in Premiere Pro. Now go File, Export Media. In the Format window, select H264. Then click Output Name. Here we'll go Desktop again, Premiere Basics, Export. Inside save your file and name it Video 01. Then hit Export and wait a few seconds. Go to the Export folder and see your first video. Great, now you finished the first part of this tutorial and you are ready for the next one. But before you go to the next video, try and make some edits on your own without the use of this video. You can visit my blog for a more in-depth guide. Check the link in the description. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. See you in the next part.